Hello, this is the fifth video for Math0302 Beginning Algebra, Chapter 3, Section 3. We're going to look at Practice 5 now. Practice 5 says to graph x plus 3 equals 0. And it gives us a table of values that we can fill in. Okay, here's the thing. X plus 3 equals 0. How many variables do you see in here? You just see 1. So what we can do is we can actually solve this equation. Okay, if you were just asked to solve this equation, that means get the variable by itself, what would you do? That's right, you would subtract 3 from both sides. That would tell me that x is equal to -3. Remember, coordinates are only solutions to an equation if the coordinates make the equation true. That means that for this set of coordinates, the x value has to be -3. So there's going to be a -3 here, a -3 here, and a -3 here. All of these x values must be -3 because it's telling me x is equal to -3. Now the y values can be whatever you want because there are no y values in this equation. There is no y variable here. So you can just make it whatever. So I'm going to make this -2, 0, and 2. Now notice that the y value I chose was 0, meaning that this right here, -3, 0, is the x-intercept. Okay, so I'm going to graph this, and again I have to use this grid. So this is going to be practice 5. And the formula is x plus 3 equals 0. Now notice that this is one of those that can trick you by making you think that x should be equal to +3, and that's just not true. It's x equals -3. Now the values that I have are -3, -2, -3, 0, and -3, 2. And I'm going to plot those real quick. So left 3 down 2, left 3 nothing, just stay there, and left 3 up 2 are the coordinates. Notice that it's just a vertical line through those coordinates. And again, notice that this is the x-intercept. Let me go ahead and just plot this. Oops. This is the problem sometimes with using a computer to try and draw something. There we go, that's better. Excellent. Now notice that this is a vertical line. Now in the next section, or even further beyond, the m here is actually undefined, just for future reference, because we will come to this later on when we're talking about slope. This is an undefined slope. Okay, good. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video.